Hi and welcome back to the channel. Auto detailers, if you're missing calls while you're working, you're missing jobs. Here's how an AI voice agent answers for you. So this is set up inside GoHighLevel. And when a customer calls your number and you can't pick up, the AI answers instantly. In the example I'll show, it greets them, asks their name, what service they need, and where they want it. The type of information gathered can be custom configured to your lead generation process. All right, so let's dial my phone number. Just testing it out.
Hi, this is ZB Auto Detailing. I'll grab a few quick details so we can follow up soon. Sound good?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Great. Could you please tell me your first and last name?
Alex Cho.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your name is Alexcho. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Awesome, Alex. Could you let me know the zip code where you need our mobile detailing service?
Sure, it's 11111.
Thanks for that. And what kind of detailing service are you looking for?
Just exterior detailing.
Got it. Exterior detailing. Thanks for sharing that info. Someone will reach out shortly with a quote and to help you book your appointment. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
You're welcome, Alex. Goodbye and take care.
All right, so that was our call. And what happens afterwards is that all the answers are saved automatically inside your system, so nothing gets lost. So we will go to contacts here and click on this. This record was created. And as you can see, as my first name, last name, phone number, the lead, the service that I'm interested in, as well as the postal code that I gave on the call. So this works while you're detailing, driving, or even off the clock. The AI never misses a lead. So if you're interested in this, comment below for the GoHighLevel prompt. And if you want this set up for your business, you can click the link below and I'll help you get started. And then if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I release new tutorials and tips every week.